Hey guys, Matthew with 20D. How are you guys? Let me brush my eyebrows. I hope you're doing well. It is Friday, the 19th. So I went out and I did some typewriter. Last week I was in Kansas for a funeral, but before then I got a chance to preach in our community. I had a chance to preach on Sunday at Praise Fellowship that weekend before. I got a chance to minister, do typewriter. Then week before that, I got a chance to minister at Open Door Fellowship. So there's been a ton of opportunities on top of my normal program director, program manager job at Providence. And we're just super grateful for all the opportunities and everything that he puts in our hands. I believe in a week or two, I think it's next week, I go do this youth event at Partner Church, which is going to be great. I'm super passionate about serving the gospel, connecting with people through all the giftings that he's given us. So today I did typewriter. It's probably out there 2 hours, 2.5 hours, maybe 2 hours. And I probably wrote, I'm not exactly sure. I was trying to catch it when I glanced real quick. I think it was 6 to 8. The ones I remember, which some of them was just like this guy at the very end. I read it to him and his girlfriend. I read it to him. It was about him. I felt like he was just going to tear up a little bit. He said, "Thank you so much," shook my hand and left. But there was two where I felt like real ministry took place. One was with this lady named Jama. She was a therapist. When I read the writing to her, I saw like how people have like hurt her, and some things they've said and done to her have scarred her. And she says that's exactly right. She's the therapist. She's going through a really, really rough season of her life. I told her who I was. She let me pray for her right there. I prayed the peace of God. I released the peace of God into her. Prayed for all these things. Prayed for healing, connection, all this wonderfulness. It was a really beautiful moment. And then this other woman I connected with, her name was Susan. She's a Christian, but her husband was not. He's an agnostic, and she was super like into it. When I was a Christian, she got excited. She told me earlier they're on the light row. There was these people going around praying for people. Her husband passed. She chose a prayer, of course. So I can't imagine how difficult that marriage must be with one being a believer, one not being a believer. So I told her that I and we would be praying for her husband. So, all right, guys, we're about 12 seconds past 3 minutes. I love you. Have a great week. Bye.